Guys, so this is going to be our repeat of what was supposed to be slime, but I poured it in too fast. This is what happened. So you can kind of, stop that, sorry. You can kind of stretch it, but you can't stretch it very long before it breaks. You go
it's very stiff slime.
Stop playing with my phone.
Hey, stop. Leave it alone. You're interrupting. You are interrupting the video. Stop.
It doesn't care if it turns off or not. Okay, but it doesn't even make clicking sound, which I've heard is really good fun. It's really stiff. If you go fast, of course, it breaks. And, well, we're going to try a repeat and see if we can make better slime than this.
Now that one had, what, like most of the cup of water still separated.
Yeah.
And the glue congeals.
Yeah, like three quarters, I'd like to think.
Yeah, well, at least 3/4 of a cup of water was left over.
But now we're going to do a repeat. And, of course, put our borax in this water.
Should I go play with that slime?
Stir.
Just look at it.
Leave slime alone, okay?
Here.
Although it's a lot bubbly. Here's slime. Here's your tough slime. My brother, of course, likes it. He likes the tough slime. But
We can let Josiah. I wish Josiah could have that. Josiah would be so happy if he was allowed to take it to Aunt Sue's house when it moves that. Wish I could like get a sample of this and like take it all the way to Aunt Sue's house.
So last time we kind of dumped the borax solution in real fast, and it like immediately congealed.
yeah.
So what are we? This time we're gonna try to like stir it really fast and just slowly add the borax.
Yes. I might need your help to stir it. Or you can pour the water and stir it.
So would you say that our last experiment was a failure?
Yes. Well,
I wouldn't.
No. It's not a complete failure. My brother, Josiah, likes it. I don't really like the slime. It's not as stretchy as it could be.
Do you know why I think it's not a failure?
Because it still looks like slime and it's still good to play with.
Nope.
Why?
Because we learned something.
Oh.
And that is what experiments are for.
Oh, okay. Now it's boraxes. Hold on.
So do we need an extra hand, or do you think you can kind of do this?
If you want to, you can help me.
Which part do you want me to do then?
Pour it.
Pour?
I like stirring.
You like
I'm
stirring?
good at stirring. Especially.
I'm going to try to hold the camera and slowly pour. Stir it fast, stir it deep, get it all mixed in there. Scrape the sides and go all the way up and down.
It's very hard to scrape the sides. Glue.
Keep moving fast, gotta keep it going fast, fast, fast. Vigorously. I don't even think we're gonna get this going like that. It may be that we really need a lower concentration of borax if we're not going to dilute the glue in advance.
It's tough to hold in place enough.
How's it going?
It's tough on
Is it mixing, or are we still kind of
necklace.
separating? It's getting very thick already, isn't it? Are we able to incorporate the water as we're going, or is it not really mixing in anymore?
It's mixing-ish.
You may have to kind of dig in and cut through it and stir and cut and stir.
Maybe you should stir.
Want me to do some stirring?
I guess I'm a little bit better at turns.
Oh my, yeah, that's already pretty glopped up, and it's not really,
Even
no matter how I do it, it's not really incorporating that water very well.
do you want me to put some more in, or?
So this kind of confirms our results of the last experiment. Even if with extra stirring and trying to slowly incorporate it, it does not incorporate very well.
Yeah, so I'm afraid.
Another thing we could try would be to add the glue to the borax solution rather than the other way around.
We could try that.
But that might still just cause kind of strands. It's hard to say.
That's the thing about. Sure.
That does kind of show us though why people might have mostly used the diluted glue when they use this kind of recipe. Perhaps it's a little bit different with the contact solution. It may be a very dilute borax solution. And the pH being different may affect it too. The pH of this solution is pretty low. And I noticed that most of the contact solution recipes use some baking soda, which would lower the pH a little bit, but probably not as much as the borax alone does. The borax in a contact solution has other ingredients to balance the pH. There are some acids in there to bring it closer to neutral so that it's a comfortable pH for your eye so that it doesn't irritate you when you put the contacts in.
Have they seen your face yet?
Not yet.
Do you want them to see your face and you can
You
stare?
want to.
So this is what my dad actually looks like.
Hi. I don't know, we're kind of getting it to mix a little bit, but maybe.
It's going down to the floor.
It looks like
very, very
they
thick
didn't
still.
put the Legos
And we haven't got
And I'm Rebecca's sister.
all of that.
Rachel. Rachel, weren't you supposed to?
Yeah, that's not even. See, I don't think that's gonna mix. I'm gonna want it pouring off most of that liquid, just like we did the last time.
Yeah, let's look at that. Yep, that looks mostly liquid.
You've been doing this by hand. I don't know.
Is it
Kind of kneading it,
sticky?
but it's not really sticky. It's pretty firm.
I heard it's squished and it had water coming out of it.
See?
It only works when you.
It's very much like the last one. In spite of our efforts to get it to mix better,
God.
it's pretty much. See, even the two pieces don't hardly want to go back together. It's almost not even slime anymore. Kind of like you said, almost like the consistency of a boiled egg.
Yeah. It's kind of like our other one that my brother likes. Let me move it over here.
Alright, so we want to cut
Kind of like this.
and come bring them back together for your.
Okay, yep. Let's go.
Want to sign off?
Yeah, I don't know. There's more sign.
And now for the end, you're going to see my face. Bye. Please stop yelling